breaking ICE and ERO team up and make massive arrests of illegal aliens over the weekend. ICE ERO Newark arrests 37 individuals in Middlesex County, New Jersey. Enforcement surge. Newark, New Jersey, U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, Enforcement and Removal Operations, ERO, Newark Field Office arrested 37 individuals during a 5-day operation that concluded Friday, as part of the agency's ongoing public safety efforts. The operation targeted criminal aliens who were previously incarcerated at the Middlesex County Jail, MCJ, and who were subsequently released to the community by MCJ, without honoring the ICE detainer or advising ICE of their release. The operation also targeted other criminal aliens residing in Middlesex County. Of those arrested, 16 subjects had been previously released by MCJ without honoring the ICE detainer, and 78% had prior criminal convictions or pending criminal charges. ERO New Jersey will continue to enforce ICE's commitment to public safety, said Ruben Perez, acting field office director of ERO in Newark. Middlesex County, which aspires to be a sanctuary county by protecting criminal aliens, in the process assists criminals in undermining federal law, and creates a dangerous environment in the community. It also overburdens local law enforcement. ICE will continue to execute its mission in such communities. The individuals arrested as part of the operation were nationals of Brazil, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, El Salvador, Guatemala, Haiti, Honduras, India, Ivory Coast, Mexico, Nigeria, Peru, and Turkey. These individuals range from 21 to 68 years old and all were previously arrested or convicted of a variety of offenses. Some of the arrests and convictions included aggravated criminal sexual contact, aggravated assault, DUI, hindering apprehension, endangering the welfare of a child, battery, theft, burglary, possession of a weapon, forgery, domestic violence assault, disorderly conduct, and illegal entry. The 16 subjects that were released by MCJ and arrested during this operation include: a 68-year-old citizen of Mexico was arrested by the Perth Amboy Police Department on January 23, 2009, in Middlesex County for the crimes of murder purposely and hinder prosecution false info, and was booked into the Middlesex County Jail. On June 14, 2011, he was convicted of aggravated manslaughter and hinder own prosecution false info and was sentenced to 25 years imprisonment in state prison. On May 5, 2015, the subject was transferred from state prison back to the custody of the Middlesex County Jail as he appealed his convictions. On May 5, 2015, ICE issued a detainer to Middlesex County Jail. On May 22, 2018, the original charge was overturned and he was found guilty of a single felony charge of hindering oneself give false information and sentenced to time served. Even though an ICE detainer was previously issued, he was released. A 21-year-old citizen of Turkey was arrested by the South Brunswick Police Department on May 10, 2017, in Middlesex County for burglary, entering structure, and theft by unlawful taking, and was booked into Middlesex County Jail. On May 10, 2017, ICE issued a detainer, but the detainer was not honored and he was released. On July 15, 2017, he was arrested for resisting arrest, obstructing the administration of law, and possession of marijuana. On October 12, 2017, he was arrested by ICE officers in Monmouth Junction, New Jersey, and was subsequently released on bond by the immigration judge. On April 12, 2018, he was arrested for a third time for simple assault, harassment, and possession of a weapon for unlawful purpose, and was booked into the Middlesex County Jail. On April 13, 2018, ICE issued a detainer, but the detainer was not honored again and he was released. A 32-year-old citizen of Mexico was arrested by the New Brunswick Police Department on August 12, 2016, in Middlesex County for aggravated sexual assault helpless victim, aggravated criminal sexual contact, sexual assault force/coercion, and criminal sexual contact, and booked into the Middlesex County Jail. On August 16, 2016, ICE issued a detainer. On May 18, 2018, He was convicted of aggravated criminal sexual contact and sentenced to 644 days time served, parole supervision for life and registration under Megan's Law. On May 21, 2018, Middlesex County Jail refused to honor the detainer and he was released. A 26-year-old citizen of Mexico was arrested by the North Brunswick Police Department on February 17, 2017, in Middlesex County for driving while his license was suspended, and on his court date of May 23, 2017, he was found guilty and sentenced to 10 days of incarceration at the Middlesex County Jail. On May 31, 2017, ICE issued a detainer, but the detainer was not honored and he was released. He also had a prior conviction for DUI. A 46-year-old citizen of Mexico was arrested by the Carteret Police Department on December 15, 2017, in Middlesex County for domestic violence, simple assault, and booked into the Middlesex County Jail. On December 25, 2017, ICE issued a detainer, but the detainer was not honored by Middlesex County Jail and he was released. On June 28, 2018, he was convicted of domestic violence assault. A 34-year-old citizen of Mexico was arrested by the Edison Police Department on May 29, 2018, in Middlesex County for aggravated assault and possession of a weapon and booked into the Middlesex County Jail. On May 30, 2018, ICE issued a detainer, but the detainer was not honored and he was released. A 42-year-old citizen of Honduras was convicted of illegal entry on November 10, 2009, and removed. On June 12, 2017, she was arrested by the Woodbridge Police Department, in Middlesex County for shoplifting, and released. On March 11, 2018, she was again arrested for shoplifting, and released. On April 21, 2018, she was arrested for a third time for shoplifting, and booked into Middlesex County Jail. On April 21, 2018, ICE issued a detainer, but the detainer was not honored and she was released. A 21-year-old citizen of Guatemala was arrested by the Greenbrook Police Department on June 20, 2018, in Somerset County for driving under the influence of alcohol, and by the Middlesex Police Department, later that same day, in Middlesex County, for burglary, entering structure, theft by unlawful taking, receiving stolen property and hindering oneself/false information, and was booked into Middlesex County Jail. On June 21, 2018, ICE issued a detainer. A 21-year-old citizen of Honduras was arrested by the New Brunswick Police Department on May 29, 2018, in Middlesex County for aggravated assault, possession of a weapon for unlawful purpose, unlawful possession of a weapon, and booked into the Middlesex County Jail. On May 29, 2018, ICE issued a detainer, but he was released. A 37-year-old citizen of Mexico was arrested by the New Brunswick Police Department on November 25, 2017, in Middlesex County for driving without a license, and booked into the Middlesex County Correctional Facility in North Brunswick, New Jersey on November 25, 2017. An ICE detainer was issued but he was released. A 25-year-old citizen of the Dominican Republic was arrested by the Perth Amboy Police Department on May 25, 2018, in Middlesex County for harassment, hindering, and obstruction, and was booked into Middlesex County Jail. On May 29, 2018, ICE issued a detainer, but the detainer was not honored and he was released. He also has prior arrests for domestic violence and forgery. A 27-year-old citizen of the Dominican Republic was arrested by the Perth Amboy Police Department on January 25, 2018, in Middlesex County for aggravated assault, significant bodily injury to a victim of domestic violence, criminal restraint, hold victim, possession of a weapon for unlawful purpose, unlawful possession of a weapon, and booked into the Middlesex County Jail. On January 30, 2018, ICE issued a detainer, but the detainer was not honored and he was released. A 41-year-old citizen of Honduras was arrested by the New Brunswick Police Department on September 18, 2017, in Middlesex County for driving with a suspended license and was booked into the Middlesex County Jail. On September 18, 2017, ICE issued a detainer, but the detainer was not honored and he was released. Subject has prior arrests for forgery. The detainer was not honored by Middlesex County Jail and he was released. A 29-year-old citizen of Mexico was arrested by the Perth Amboy Police Department on March 12, 2018, in Middlesex County for aggravated assault on law enforcement and possession of CDS, analog, and booked into the Middlesex County Jail. On March 13, 2018, ICE issued a detainer, but the detainer was not honored and she was released. She has prior arrests for assault by auto and DUI. A 28-year-old citizen of Peru was arrested by the Union City Police Department in Union City, New Jersey on May 08, 2018, for simple assault and booked into the Hudson County Jail, HCJ. At the time of his release from HCJ, it was discovered that he had an outstanding warrant for contempt from the Perth Amboy Police Department, in Middlesex County. He was transferred to the Middlesex County Jail on the warrant. On May 15, 2018, ICE issued a detainer to Middlesex County Jail, but the detainer was not honored and he was released. A 29-year-old citizen of El Salvador was arrested by the Carteret Police Department on September 1, 2017, in Middlesex County for endangering abuse/neglect of a child and booked into the Middlesex County Jail. On September 5, 2017, ICE issued a detainer, but the detainer was not honored and he was released. After his release, he was arrested for DUI and subsequently convicted on March 15, 2018 for the same offense. Those arrested will remain in ICE custody pending removal or immigration proceedings. ICE is focused on removing public safety threats, such as convicted criminal aliens and gang members, as well as individuals who have violated our nation's immigration laws, including those who illegally re-entered the country after being removed, and immigration fugitives ordered removed by federal immigration judges. For the first 2 quarters of fiscal year 2018, ICE arrests comprise over 66% convicted criminals. Of the remaining individuals not convicted of a crime, approximately 23% have either been charged with a crime, are immigration fugitives, or have been removed from the United States and illegally re-entered, reflecting the agency's continued prioritization of its limited enforcement resources on aliens who pose threats to national